What's up guys, I hope you are doing well there and welcome to the channel Seek Show. So today I will bring you 25 ideas to earn from Fiverr.com website. Without further delay, let's check it all. But before that, make sure to hit the red subscribe button if you need more interesting stuff and click the bell button to get the latest notifications. This video will only provide you with 25 gig ideas and how to go about selling them. Number 1. 3D book mockup. There are a lot of authors on Fiverr looking for things like ebook covers and even mockups for their books. You don't have to be a graphic designer or a Photoshop expert to be able to create a great looking 3D mockup. You can find a lot of templates on Graphic and some other websites, but you have to be careful with their usage and licenses. There are also free templates on the internet if you search for them. Number 2. T-shirt mockup. A lot of people want to see their logos, designs on t-shirts, and you can easily whip up a mockup using a template. You can buy a t-shirt mockup template from Graphic or some other websites and find a free one on the internet with a Google search. Number 3. Product or packaging mockup. Business owners and software developers come to Fiverr looking for mockups using their product and packaging. You can find a paid packaging and box mockups on Graphic and websites, but again there are free alternatives on the internet if you search for them. Number 4. Website mockup. There are templates on the internet that can mock up a website by displaying it on a laptop or a computer screen. This is useful for web designers who want to show their clients their design and how it would look on a computer. Some websites has these kinds of mockups, but again be sure to see the licenses regarding the usage. Number 5. App mockup. Many app developers like to include mockups of their apps shown on a tablet or a smartphone for the screenshots on their website or on the app's listing itself in the Google Play Store or iTunes App Store. Graphic or some other websites has some excellent mockup templates, but again you can find some free if you search for them. Number 6. CD or album cover mockup. Musicians, rappers and DJs are another great demographic of buyers to create gigs for. You can quickly and easily create 3D mockup of their album cover and CD case using a template from Graphic or some other websites, and you can find it for free online. Number 7. Logo design. Logo design is one of the most demanded gigs on Fiverr, if not the most in demand right now. You don't have to be a graphic designer or even own any graphic design software to create logos either. You can use a free websites and free apps to create logos for buyers on Fiverr. Number 8. App icons. App developers that don't have any graphic design skills look to Fiverr to outsource their app icons. There are a lot of ways you can go about creating one, including generators online, but the best way to is find a template and use it. Number 9. Facebook timeline cover photos. This is a surprisingly in-demand gig and it is very easy to do. There are a lot of free tools you can use to generate a great looking timeline photo. Cover junction, timeline cover banner, pic scatter, and there are so many websites to do the job. Number 10. Add banners. Look for free templates online that are the most common dimensions for ads and use those to create simple ads for your buyers. Number 11. Favicons. You can create one from scratch or ask your buyer to send you a logo or an image that you will convert to a favicon for them with a free converter. Number 12. Word cloud image. A new trend for a lot of blogs and websites is to display a create word clouds for their website for either the most popular or most common words used in their website or just words they wish to include in the word cloud. There are a lot of free tools online that you can use to do this job. Number 13, photo touch-up or red eye removal. If you are skilled or experienced with Photoshop, retouching is highly sought after gig, especially for something such as red eye correction, which can easily be corrected in Photoshop or even with free online tools. Number 14. Simpsons or South Park character. Another easy to make yet surprisingly popular gig is to take someone's photo and creating a Simpsons or South Park character based on how the buyer looks. Using the Simpsons character creator or the South Park character creator, you can easily complete an order in 10 minutes. Number 15. Edit photos or graphics. Simple graphic design jobs like saving images in different formats, changing the color of the objects, and deleting the backgrounds from the images are all quick jobs that you can do easily and charge $5 on Fiverr. Number 16. Turn photos into digital paintings. Quickly and easily turn someone's photo into a digital painting with either Photoshop, or there are a lot of tutorials online for you, or with a free tool. Number 17. Turn image into ASCII art. Turn someone's photo into ASCII art in seconds with this textimage.com. Number 18. Turn image into a mosaic. Turn someone's photo or art into a mosaic with 𝖊𝖍𝖕𝖘, and there are so many websites to do this job. Number 19. Web design. Installing WordPress securely. It's easier than ever to install WordPress, especially one-click installers on most hosts. People will pay for you to do this job. And after installing, simply install a security plugin such as WordFence to keep things secure. Number 20. Install WordPress themes like 𝖊𝖐𝖲. A lot of people pay for premium WordPress templates, but they are disappointed to find that it looks nothing like the 𝖊𝖐𝖲 after installing. These people usually don't realize that most premium themes come with a 𝖊𝖐𝖲 Excel that you have to import using a tool WordPress importer. If you have any experience with this is a great and easy gig for you. Number 21. WordPress site transfers. Transfer someone's entire WordPress installation quickly and easily with WordPress clone. Simply install WordPress on the new host and install the plugin WordPress clone on both installations and clone the original install with the plugin, then copy and paste the link into the plugin in the new install. It is so easy. Number 22. Write or spin articles. This is very much in demand. You can choose either write articles from scratch or spin them with Word AI. Spinning essentially involves finding an articles from websites related to the niche your buyer wants, then using a spinner or rewriter like Word AI to rewrite the article for you, so it passes all plagiarism checkers and duplicate content checkers. 23. Edit articles. If you have patience to proofread and edit people's work, you can use advanced editing software like Grammarly to edit 1,000 words in 10 minutes. Number 24. Book reviews. Kindle book reviews on Fiverr are really big right now. Be sure to offer a verified review, and in your gig extras, allow buyers to cover the cost of their books if it is not free. Number 25. App reviews. App reviews are big on Fiverr, especially for Android. If you have an iPhone but not an Android device, I would recommend downloading the Android emulator BlueStacks to leave Android apps reviews. Remember to include gig extras or encourage multiples to cover the cost of paid apps. So that is the end of today's video, and soon there will be top 75 more ideas to earn from Fiverr. Stay in touch and catch it all, subscribe and ring the bell. I will be back with the next video soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.